Hi, I'm Jamie Lawrence, co-founder and head of the Forest Intelligence team at Xilva Global. And today I'd like to walk you through a demo of Xilva GRADE. At Xilva, we developed our own proprietary methodology for assessing forest projects, and we're now offering this as a service to organizations that are challenged with the burden of due diligence. Perhaps an external team and a methodology might help your work. One thing to understand is that forests have undergone a lot of scrutiny over the last few decades. We have auditors auditing schemes, biodiversity databases, satellite LiDAR imagery, drone flyovers, etc. What Xilva GRADE does is to draw down on all of those data sources in order to understand and offer a holistic review of the forest project's strengths and weaknesses. So we do that across 5 categories: positive impact, project robustness, permanence management, ESG, and the future value. The structure and framework behind Xilva GRADE has been worked on with impact investors in mind and alongside development finance institutions in order to align with their due diligence frameworks. We present the outcomes in a simplified presentation, grading each of the 5 areas based on their performance, but also the transparency and availability of data for that section. However, you and your team can go a lot deeper. We can take you down into, this is a project in India, where we can look at their data room. The data room offers an overview of the project, what they're trying to achieve, the interventions that they're doing on the ground. It gives you all of the Xilva GRADE results in one place, that downloadable PDF that you can share with your team that summarizes everything, the top 3 to 4 impacts, and the top 3 to 4 opportunities for improvement under each of the 5 category areas that I showed you before. It also has everything in one place in terms of a document setter where you can see all of the PDDs and all of the information about the team behind it and the KYC documents all in one place. You can also see all of the third-party analysis and the imagery and databases that have been used to cross-check the data points. It has all of the carbon credit information in one section and all of the investment information in another. When looking at and cross-referencing the project developer's data against external sources, we can come up with a series of risks and understanding of what needs to improve in each of these projects. This is not only a good oversight for you, it's good information for the project developer to improve, and it can be hardwired into your contracts and dealings with the project developer. One case in point here is that we felt that this project was missing a risk management plan for the environmental issues. We found by cross-referencing work that had been done by development institutions in this region of India that it had been classified as high risk for climate change issues. And yet we're not seeing the project developers offering a mitigation strategy around that. There's an obviously need for improvement there, which then can be reflected in how you engage with the project developer and in your contracting. So thank you very much for listening to the demo. We would love to go into further data points and show you how we work and to work on some of your projects together. Thank you. Have a good day.